DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Well, remember when I had this filter thing out and it rained a little bit? Well, I don't know for sure, but whether any water got into the fluid or not. But I'm going to boil it, or at least get it hot enough over 212. If there is any water in there, it'll boil out. I'll get it about 220 or whatever. 140 already. Wow, 160. Damn, that thing's already getting hot. Stir it a little bit. Stir and stick. This is probably not case approved either. But I'm going to get any water out of it that's in there. I'm only getting it up to 200 something. It ought to be able to handle that, right? Alright. Alright, it's over 200. I think that's good. If there's any water in there, it would have gone bye-bye, I would think. Let's go a little bit higher. Let's see if take it to 212. See if there's any popping noises. Because water stays on the bottom. I mean, you know, hydro fluid is lighter than water. So let's see what we got now. 208, 9, 10, 11, 212. That's it. I'm going to kill the fire. Fire. Fire needs buddies. A piece of wood by itself doesn't really like to want to burn. It needs a friend. So, without a friend, they should all go out. I'll use them next time. Okay. Filtration. That's it. I'll get out the smoke. And pour the rest of it in there, and then we'll be good. Found out if you lift this up, it filters a lot faster. Sometimes you have to lift the whole thing because it forms a hydro lock there. And it filters a lot faster when it's hot too. Alright, I'm going to finish this and pour it in the tank. Case wants 25 bucks for a can of spray paint, yellow. I found this, Bear, Blazing Bonfire. Closest match I could find. I don't think when they painted this, they didn't use case paint anyway, I don't think. But check this out. I took a monster can and cut it in half. Perfect. You know? Good enough, I say. I put super clean on and then sprayed it off. It looks like there's still some water in those holes. But you know what? I'm living with it. I'm saying, you know what? This is good. Isn't that a good idea with that can? I love that. I got some new clips. Stainless steel. Case wants he wants $7.50. $7.50 for one of these. But I found some on Amazon that are almost exactly the same. They're a little bit thinner, but they're stainless steel for God's sake. So I think those look pretty good, right? I'll take those old ones off and use stainless steel. Anyway, I'm hiding my sins. Here's my doghouse. Let me break. There's my holes. They'll catch water, but you know what? They drain. Because that pin is... I made that pin skinny. That's a skinny pin now. Relatively. Yeah, that's pretty close, right? Like I said, I don't even know if that's regulation case paint. What are you gonna do, huh? Anyway, I'll raise it up and then I'll be able to get the other side. There's a lot of different shades of yellow. I bought 3 different cans and this is the closest one. I mean, look at that. They painted this. I don't know what the fuck that is. Orange? There. Good as new. Well, close. Alright, onward and upward.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.